How to fix Sweat Wallet app login problem. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix your Sweat Wallet app when you have problems in logging in. So without further ado, let us begin. So there are plenty of ways on how to fix this. So the first thing that you can do is just go to your App Store or Play Store, and then after that just go search up for the Sweat Wallet app. Sweat Wallet, search it up, and then make sure that your Sweat Wallet app is updated. So as you can see over here, mine is not updated. So what we need to do is to update the app. So just click on update and then just wait for the app to finish updating. And then once it's done, you can now try logging in your account and check if you're still encountering that problem. But if you are still encountering that problem, what you can do is to simply just go to your settings, scroll down, go to general, go to storage, and then after that, just scroll down until you see the Sweat Wallet app. So once you found the Sweat Wallet app, just click on offload the app and then reinstall it again. So basically what offloading does, this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So once you're done offloading the app, just reinstall the app again and then try logging in again. But if that doesn't work, the last option that you can do is to simply just delete the app and then reinstall the app again. So just delete the app from here and then reinstall the app again in the App Store and then try logging in again. So that's pretty much it on how to fix the Sweat Wallet app login problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.